Let's assume that we have a CSV file called hryear.csv, which contains two columns, year ID and HR. Year ID is the year, and HR is the total number of home runs. With these two columns, the CSV file contains the number of home runs hit in Major League Baseball every year. Can you write a function, lineplot, that creates a pandas data frame from the CSV file, and then creates a chart with points connected by lines, both colored red, showing the number of home runs by year? You want to do this using the ggplot library with the syntax that we just discussed. Your code should go here.